Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo mahasiswa UT, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga Allah selalu memberikan pada kita kesehatan yang barokah. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all in a good health. Dear students, welcome to the first sessions of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about formal and informal language in English. You can find this week's topic in Module 1, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to analyze the difference between formal and informal English. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 1. Good luck, everyone. I hope you always active in discussions. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.